Hello again, and welcome back to the second part of our workshop on slapstick routines. Now this is a classic. It's known as the plank, but we're not going to use wooden planks. No. We're going to use things that are soft and light, such as some more pipe lagging
Or a pool noodle.
There we are. And this is how it works. You need the vocal and physical reactions and not to notice what's about to happen. So, first of all, I might take my pipe or plank in this direction. Oh! Or I might, of course, go in the other direction. Oh! I might even put it on my shoulder like so and turn around once more. Ah! Now, go and get our equipment. We've had some special equipment made, which looks like a big log, but is in fact covered with foam. Now, Spike has it here, and he's almost ready, so could you bring it over to me?
Where?
Oh! No, the other way.
Oh.
Oh! No, put it on your shoulder and bring it here. Oh! Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me!
Fine.
Oh, stupid boy! Ha! I'll get him back with the third routine.